US-Ukraine talks will be held in Saudi Arabia next week, President Volodymyr Zelensky has said, expressing hopes that it will be a meaningful meeting. The Ukrainian leader, who will be in the Gulf Kingdom but not take part in the talks, said Kyiv was working to reach a fast and lasting peace. US President Donald Trump's special envoy, Steve Witkoff, said the American team wanted to discuss a framework for peace to try to end the Russia-Ukraine war. Last Friday, Zelensky and Trump were involved in a public clash at the White House, during which Trump said Zelensky was not ready to end the fighting. The US proceeded to pause military aid to Ukraine and stop sharing intelligence. The Ukrainian president has expressed regret about the incident and tried to repair relations with the US, the country's biggest military supplier. On Thursday, Witkoff said Trump had received a letter from Zelensky that included an apology and sense of gratitude. Hopefully, we get things back on track with the Ukrainians, and everything resumes, Witkoff said. Zelensky has been under strong US pressure to make concessions ahead of any peace talks, while the Ukrainian president has been pushing for firm security guarantees for Kyiv. Ukraine has been seeking peace since the very first moment of the war, and we have always stated that the war continues solely because of Russia. Zelensky urged the global community to put more pressure on Moscow so it accepts the need to end the war. On Thursday, Putin said Moscow was seeking a peace that would ensure calmness for our country in the long-term perspective. We don't need anything that belongs to others, but we won't give up anything that belongs to us either. The Kremlin leader added, Russia annexed Ukraine's southern Crimea Peninsula in 2014 and claims another 4 Ukrainian regions in the southeast as its own, although Moscow doesn't fully control them. Ukraine and its European allies have in recent weeks expressed alarm over what many on the continent see as Donald Trump's overtures to Russia.